Hey, welcome back. Today we have a budget-friendly grocery haul for those who are trying to feed their family on a budget and stay healthy. Say something meaningful. Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're doing great. Today we have a huge grocery haul. Not only do we have groceries and Weight Watcher friendly foods, we also have foods that I go ahead and feed my kids. So you guys know I have a pretty big family. There's 5 of us in here, 3 kids and then me and my husband. And I do follow the Weight Watcher Freestyle way of eating, and my husband is more of a low carb keto way of eating. So our groceries tend to vary. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you just my grocery haul, how I go ahead and purchase groceries every other week for my family, how I do it on a budget, what my tips and tricks are, and how I bulk buy my meat. Protein heavy diet can be pricey. And you know, if you live in a small home, as I do, it's hard to buy in bulk when you find a good deal on chicken or ground beef or whatever the case may be, without compromising all your space in your freezer. I'm gonna go ahead and feature a food saver that was sent to me from the brand COSORI. I absolutely love this. So basically, I'm able to go ahead and buy the meat that I find on sale and store it in my freezer without taking up tons of room, or without, you know, just leaving it in the package and having to go ahead and defrost a whole big thing of chicken or ground beef and then wasting half of it because we aren't going to eat the big amount, or, you know, risking freezer burn and then just tossing it. So with all that being said, I'm going to go ahead and jump into the video. If you guys are new here, hello, my name is Danielle, and thank you so much for stopping in. We do a little bit of everything here. Everything that is anything in life, I touch on it. So I would encourage you guys to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell, and I'll let you know when I upload my videos, which I tend to do a few times a week. Alright guys, I am super tongue-tied. Let's just go ahead and start this video. So I'm going to start out, I'm going to try to do this store by store and kind of go from there. This is just like a household haul as well. So we got some things for the house and then obviously some food and stuff like that. And not only just Weight Watchers groceries, but groceries also for my kids. So I guess I'll start off at Target. So first thing I got at Target was some laundry soap. I went ahead and got this all free and clear with the Oxy in there because I had a coupon. And then I got the Snuggle fabric softener because it was on clearance and I also had a coupon. And then I went ahead and picked up these Snuggle scent boosters because I think it was Paige Danielle who I heard always talk about these, and I was like, I want them because I live for good smell in laundry. It's like my favorite. So I will let you guys know how those ones work out. I got some body wash. This is just a Dial coconut water. It smells really good, and I had a coupon. I'm all about the coupons today. So I got this thing here for free. It's just the foaming cleaner. And then I've been needing like a travel coffee mug. If you guys have seen me on my way to work, I always just take a glass mug and I'm just asking for it. So I picked up this one and it says Summer Vibes. And if you guys can see, it was $3. So, and it's pretty big too. So I was like, yep. And if I lose it or break it, it was only $3. And then I picked up some shampoo and conditioner. I went ahead and did the Aussie brand because I had a coupon. And I get the volume one because I just like it. I don't like for my hair to feel weighed down. And I went ahead and picked up my favorites, Starbucks iced coffee and the blonde roast. That is my jam. And then I picked up these for the house. I love these, and it really gets the kids to lay off like the sugary beverages. So we do the strawberry lemonade. That one's my favorite. I got 3 of those. And then I went ahead and picked up this True Lemon Peach Lemonade. My best friend is totally on me all the time about as much aspartame as I drink, so she doesn't want me to drink it. So I picked these up. So Mary, if you're watching, I'm trying it, okay? I'm trying. And then down here, I've told you guys before about these Well Yes soups. These were on sale 2 for $3 at Target. I picked up this one. This is the minestrone with kale soup. This is really good. I've already had it. It's a little bland, so you're going to need some salt, but other than that, it's pretty good. And a point for the whole can, so I dig that. The carbs are a little much, but what is it? It's only, okay, it's 22 carbs for the whole can, but, you know, I'm trying to stay anywhere between 30 and 60 carbs a day, so. And then I picked up this one. This is the roasted chicken with the wild rice. This one's higher in carbs, but for the whole can, this one is 2 points. And I got another one of the minestrones. And then I got this Mediterranean style wedding soup, which was really good, but it's 6 points for the whole can. But it's really good though. It has a good flavor and it has a lot of chunks to it, so it's pretty filling. So I don't know, I like them. I think for a fast option, they're pretty good. And then from Target, I just got like toilet paper and paper towels and paper plates because I don't want to do dishes. So we'll go ahead and jump over to Aldi and I'll show you what I picked up from there. So I went ahead and got a couple bags of these garden salad mixes because I've been craving a salad lately. So I picked up some of those. I picked up 2 English cucumbers. I like those the best. And then I picked up some baby carrots because we are doing corned beef and carrots and cabbage and all that stuff for St. Pat's this weekend. So, yeah. I picked up some asparagus because I love them and they were on sale. And I got some red potatoes to go with the cabbage. And then I got myself some zucchini because they are my favorite. So all the veggies are free, guys, except for those potatoes. I went ahead and picked up 2 of these pepper jack cheese spreads. These are super comparable to Laughing Cow, and they're a fraction of the price. And I think the actual portion is bigger, and they are so good. And then I picked up these pretzel thin slims. They're 3 points for 1 ounce, and I like to give these to Rhea to take to lunch. This way, you know, she still can, you know, have little snacks at lunch with her girlfriends, but, you know, she's still following her plan. She's doing really good. I know a couple people have asked if she's still on it, and she is. And I think she's lost like 12 pounds, so she's doing super good. I picked up some more of these peanut butter toast crackers for Sophie. She likes these, and they are 4 points for a 4-pack. They're actually really good. I've had these when I was feeling snacky before. I went ahead and picked myself up 2 dozen of eggs. Let me ask you guys this. Are eggs really high right now by you guys as well? Here, those are $1.75 each. And I'm like, what the heck? And that's at Aldi. Imagine what like Target is selling them for. It's crazy. I picked myself up one of these carbonated flavor waters. I believe they're 0. I didn't scan it, but if they aren't, I'll put it on the screen. Some non-fat Greek yogurt because I like to use this as a substitute for mayo because I don't like light mayonnaise. I think it tastes sweet. It tastes weird to me. So I rather just use this. And then I went ahead and picked up some low-fat cottage cheese. Rhea really likes this and I like it too. And it's a good substitute like for a post-workout if you're working out. Cottage cheese has a ton of protein in it. So for a half a cup, it's 2 points. So instead of a protein bar some days, I would rather have just a cup of cottage cheese. I picked up some of these Italian dressings because I am planning on doing, I've been craving like a beef sandwich. If you guys are from the Midwest or from Chicago, we have a place called Portillo's and they are known for their beef sandwiches. And I am like so hungry for one. So I'm going to try to make a Weight Watchers friendly one. So be on the lookout for that video. And then I got some tuna, which is free. The kids are going to, you know, it's almost the weekend, so they're going to be home. And they're off on Tuesday because it's like our local election day. So I went ahead and I wanted to get some stuff for them for after breakfast. So I picked up some orange juice and it's 6 points for 1 cup. That's why I'm not drinking it. And then I got myself some canned chicken breast because I made this like low point chicken salad the other day and it was really good. So I picked some of this up so I can have that. I got myself some turkey bacon. I really like this. I cut it right down the middle and then I'll fry the little pieces and it's 1 point per piece. And then I got these French toast sticks for the girls for breakfast as well. 5 sticks, 11 points. They smell good, but I don't know if they're worth no 11 points. And then here is our cabbage for our corned beef and cabbage. Fresh lemons for my TEAMI tea. I love putting the lemons in my tea. It tastes so good. I went ahead and picked up some light string cheese. This is also a really good option, guys, for a post-workout snack. So just trying to change it up. So 1 point per stick. I picked up the girls some cereal. They like these fruit rounds. We've been doing like the Cinnamon Toast Crunch the last couple weeks. So these are 4 points for 1 cup. Becky wanted some kiwi, so we picked up some kiwi. I got some tomatoes. Here is the beef broth to go along with that beef sandwich I was talking to you guys about. I picked up these dry roasted peanuts for Leo. They're pretty low carb, and he's still trying to stick as much to keto as possible. So I picked these up for him to have a snack, and they are 5 points for 40 pieces, which is not too bad. You know, they're high in fat, so that's kind of why they're high in points. And I didn't even scan this because I don't even want to know, but to go along with all this goodness here for St. Pat's, I bought Leo his Kerrygold butter. He loves this stuff. When we were keto, guys, we used to get the 4-pack from Costco, and we used to kill that sucker because I used to put a tablespoon of this in my coffee. Whew, it's good stuff, though. I got Becky a Lunchable, 13 points. Isn't that crazy? I don't even like those. So I was thinking on Saturday, I usually do my weeklies on Saturday. I use them all up usually on Saturday. And I was wondering, like, man, what do I have a taste for this week? And we're going to do, like, the corned beef. But I was like, I have a taste for wine and Gardettos. Weird, I know. But I found these at Aldi, and they were really cheap. 5 points for half a cup. I got some cheese crackers for the kids, and they are 5 points for 28 pieces. Becky picked out those mini muffins. And actually, you know what? That's not too bad. There's like 4 or 5 in a pack, and they're 5 points for each little pouch. So that's a good option if you guys are feeling snacky. At least you can control it. We get this Fit and Active bread, 2 slices for 2 points. And then I got these chips for the girls. They're 4 points for 1 ounce. They're like the Doritos, kind of like a bootleg version. Or the Aldi version, not bootleg. And then I went to my local grocer because they were having a really good meat sale. So I went ahead and I got myself 3 packages of these chicken breasts. You guys can see, I think, what was it? $1.49 a pound for fresh chicken breasts is not bad. So I went ahead and stocked up, and these suckers are huge. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you guys how I cut up my meat and how I store it, so you guys can get an idea, because sometimes I know people don't like to, you know, kind of bulk buy their meat because they're afraid of how they're going to store it, if they're going to have room to store it. But I'm going to show you guys how you can bulk buy your meat, save yourself some money, and not compromise all your space in your freezer. And then I went ahead and bought us our corned beefs. So for 3 ounces is 6 points. If you guys never had corned beef before, they shrink big time. So that's why I bought a couple of them. Our family's coming over, so that's why I have a few of them to be cooked. But yeah, so we have some family coming over, and they enjoy when I make it, because I don't think they usually make it by them. So, and then I went ahead and then I found some salmon at the local grocery as well for $6.99 a pound. So I went ahead and bought myself 2 pounds of it, and I will show you guys like I said, how I cut it up and how I store it. So I went ahead and picked up some ground beef here, and it was also on sale. It was on $2.99 a pound, so I bought myself a couple pounds of it. Guys, I just, but I always make sure to drain all my meat. So 4 points for 3 ounces of that. So let me go ahead and show you guys how I'm going to store and how I like divide up all my meat and everything. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you this food saver before I started using it and what actually came with it. So it does come with a roll of bags, some larger bags, and a device so you can go ahead and use it for canning. And I wanted to show you what it looks like. You can use it for food, for marinating stuff. You can have a dry or wet option. I used the wet option for the meat because obviously the meat has juices, and we wanted to, you know, kind of just suck them all together. So here we're just making our own personal size use of a bag, and we're manually sealing the end to go ahead and use it as a storage bag. Here I went ahead and portioned out 4-ounce pieces of the salmon. I'm the only one who eats salmon, so that's why I did that. And we were able just to go ahead and seal it, and I'm really digging it. I mean, it's super airtight. I don't have to worry about, you know, the bag coming open or ripping or freezer burn or any of that stuff. And here we were going to use something for the chicken breasts, and the chicken breasts were a lot bigger, so we made a bigger size bag, and you're able to cut and do all that with the little piece at the top. And here's Leo. He really, really liked this tool. He was really excited for it. And we're just going ahead and sealing everything. You know, this way I'm not wasting money and wasting food and losing meat. I did go ahead and label each item with the date so I knew exactly how old everything was. Here we're just using ground beef, and I did want to mention that sometimes with using meat that the juices, when you go ahead and pressure seal it, it is going to leak out. So make sure you go ahead and you just clean off your little appliance there, and it is all good. Everything will be linked below so you guys can go ahead and use, and you guys will not regret it. You'll love it. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. And here's a question for you guys. What has been your favorite item that you've been buying at the grocery store each week? Let me know, because I always like to pick up new things and try them out. Alright guys, I will see you on the next video. Thank you so much.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I want